Hey, it's Gina with WTI. One of my favorite pastimes is gardening, and one thing that's making it so much better this year is having raised garden beds from MOFEEZ. This is a 7 by 3 by 1 foot raised garden bed made out of galvanized steel. I really love this because this steel is definitely more durable than some of the wooden garden beds that I have that are already deteriorating. This is a large bed, but it is lightweight enough to move around, of course, before you put any dirt in it. This goes together easily with nuts and bolts and comes with all of the tools that you need in order to assemble it. It also has stabilizing cords because it is on the larger side in order to make sure that it keeps its shape. This is made out of 1.8 millimeter galvanized sheeting, and this is so nice and thick and is super durable. We do have a lot of moles in my yard, so I went ahead and lined the bottom of it with hardware cloth to keep them out, along with some landscape fabric to keep the weeds away. And then I like to fill my raised garden beds with some shrubbery and leaves from around the yard about halfway up. And then I cover that with potting soil. This is a great galvanized raised bed. I know it's going to last me for so many growing seasons. I just love having it, and that's my point of view.